This is my project. I have to grow beans. I put the beans in water to let it soak overnight. So tomorrow I'm gonna go check on it. Hello! The bean has been soaked overnight now, and now I'm going to pour it into this basket for all the water to drain out. Now I'm going to spread it. I'll put it here first. Look, it's growing. Look, you can see the little saplings coming out of the beans. All right, now I'm going to put it in this basket. And I'm going to cover it. So I'm going to cover it for 3 days so it won't be exposed to the light. But I'm going to water it 2 times per day, in the morning and in the night. And I'm going to show you the growth progress of the beans every day. And I come to check on my beans and water it. Wow! It grows so long! Okay. Look at the roots. There you go. Okay, now I need to water it. Okay, now I'm gonna put it back. And I'm going to water the beans. Ooh, it grew. See you later. Bye-bye. I'm gonna check on the beans and water them. Whoa, look, it grew so much. Look at that. All right, now let me water them. Whoa, that's a lot of roots. Now I need to check my microgreens and give it water. Let's see how long it grew. Oh my god! It grew so big and long. Look at it. Look, it has leaves now. Look at it. Look at that. Look, here's the root, here's the sprout, and here's the leaf. Look, the leaf is so tiny. Okay, now I need to water it. I feel so happy. Oh my god. Wow, that's a lot of roots. And now we have to leave it to grow even longer. I'll see you later, microgreens. And I'll see you guys later too. Bye! I'm going to check and water my microgreens. Wow, it grows so long. Look. Here's the roots. The roots is so long. And here's the sprout, and here's the leaf. I said it'll only be 3 days, but I think it needs to stay for longer, so then the leaves will grow bigger. Now I need to water it. Look at the roots. That's a lot of roots. My microgreens are not green because they've been covered the whole time. So tomorrow I won't cover them, and then it can do photosynthesis and the leaves will turn green. Bye-bye. Hello. Now my microgreens are so long that they push the cover up. Let's see how long. Wow, they're so long. Look at it. Wow. Okay, let's see. Let's check the roots. I bet the roots are low. Wow, that's a lot of roots. Okay, that is heavy. From now on, we're not going to put the cover and let it do photosynthesis. And tomorrow, the leaf will probably be green. Bye. Okay, now it's time to harvest my Mung Green microgreens. I got scissors here, and I got some Mung beans already. And put here. And now I need the roots all off. There. One tiny batch of Mung beans. This Mung Bean microgreen, it's double of this. Okay, next I'm going to show you a few recipes for Mung Bean microgreen. Hello, today I'm going to be making salad with beef and with bread crust. Now that's how you make the salad. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this experience of growing Mung Bean microgreen. Bye-bye.